Thinking about how to fund your Relay bank account? Maybe you're a new business owner setting up your finances for the first time, or you're just looking for the fastest way to get money into your account. Whatever the reason, you're in the right place. Funding your Relay account is straightforward, and you have a few different options depending on what works best for you. First up is the most common method, ACH transfers. An ACH transfer, which stands for Automated Clearinghouse, is a simple and fee-free way to move money between banks. If you've already linked an external bank account to your Relay account, you can initiate a transfer directly from the Relay app or website. Just select the external account you want to pull from, choose the amount, and confirm the transfer. This is a great option for regular funding, though it typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to clear. Another quick and reliable option is a domestic wire transfer. While these transfers are faster, usually settling within 1 business day, they do come with a small fee. If you need to fund your account urgently with a large amount, a wire transfer is the way to go. You'll need to provide the sender with your specific Relay account and routing numbers, which you can find easily in your account details. If you're a fan of old-school methods, you can also deposit a check using the Relay mobile app. This is super convenient because you don't have to go to a physical bank. Simply endorse the check with your signature and, for mobile deposit only at Thread Bank, snap a picture of the front and back, and enter the details. Keep in mind that it can take up to 7 business days for a check deposit to fully settle. For those who deal with cash, Relay has you covered. You can make cash deposits at any Allpoint Plus ATM. Just use your Relay Visa debit card and you'll see the funds available in your account instantly if you make the deposit before 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can also make cash deposits at over 90,000 Green Dot Network participating retailers like Walmart and CVS, though these deposits may have a small fee and take a bit longer to process, typically about 15 minutes. So whether you're transferring funds electronically, sending a wire, or using a good old-fashioned check, Relay gives you the flexibility to fund your account in a way that suits your business needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.